Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Poseify animations in Unity. To do this, we're going to replace these existing idle and run animations in this little sample project I've made. You can download this project from GitHub. To get started, you need to share your FBX file and send it to your desktop, which you have Unity running. So I did that both for the idle and the walk animation I have right here. To do this, the easiest will be just to share the FBX with maybe via email or with a chatting client like WhatsApp and then download it. Once you've imported the animation, you can do that by drag and dropping it from the file explorer or using the import menu in Unity. When you've done that, you select animations. Maybe we should rename it to make it a bit more identifiable. So we're going to call this idle Poseify. Once this is done, we can change the rig. Basically, we can tell Unity that it's an humanoid animation, and then we can apply it, and it will retarget all the bones for us. Since Poseify uses a similar bone structure like Unity does in default, we can easily retarget this. So it will automatically do all this retargeting here. So we don't have to worry about doing the retargeting ourselves. It will just be mapped. Once we did this for the idle animation, we can go to the mechanism overview and we can just replace the idle animation with the new animation we created, the idle Poseify. When we press play, this is our new idle animation we created on Poseify a few minutes ago. So in a few simple steps, you can have the animation ready and running. And it will work just fine with all the other things. So like transitions will work. Combining it with animation rigging, it will work easily as well. So like procedural animations will work as well. So you can play around with these buttons here and see it all works smoothly together. Let's go to the walk animation. We'll have to do a bit more here. We can drag and drop it in here. We can rename it again. Let's call it walk Poseify this time. And again, we'll have to do the humanoid retargeting, which is done automatically again. And we can see here when we're going through the animation, there is a slight issue with foot placement and slight issue with timing since we don't have a perfect loop. To fix this, we can trim the animations directly in Unity. So I'll try to find a good semi-decent looking loop. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're going to be using loop time and loop pose to make a seamless transition. Another issue we can solve here is the foot placement. Sometimes the foot placement can be a bit off, but this can be easily fixed with this offset. And with the loop pose, we ensure that it does a seamless transition at the end of the animation when it's looping. So let's apply this. And as you can see, when we click run, we can see we have now our new walk animation and it works with all the existing animations. The transitions work as well. Idle and run, for example, work fine. And yeah, I hope this tutorial was useful. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below.